So for this eggnog recipe, you'll need vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, whipped cream. I choose to use whole milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. Some egg and an extra cup over there. So I'll be using this to mix the egg in. And of course, you're gonna need a strainer and mixer, and I'll leave the link to all the items in the description box, so make sure you check it out. And I forget to mention this earlier, I'll be using some light brown sugar. So the first thing I'll be doing is to get the milk to the perfect temperature. And if you forget, last year I did an eggnog video. If you missed that video, I'll be leaving it in the description box as well as in the comment section. The only difference is that one was the raw version, and this year I bring to you the cooked version. You can also make a comparison, leave it in the comment section. Let's chat. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy content like this. So right here, I'm just separating the egg yolk from the egg whites, and I'm storing the egg yolk in this mixing bowl and the egg whites in the cup that I showed you earlier. Make sure you take your time just so you don't get any shells in your eggs. And also, man, this was so much of a workout, the mixing process. So you want to mix it until you get like a very frosty, creamy consistency.
Take it slow. I know you want this. I just hope you know, if we get started, ain't no letting go.
Now I'm adding some light brown sugar, and I'll be mixing it out until it's completely invisible in the egg yolk. Feel free to use any sweetener of your choice. I just choose to use sugar. Last year I think I used honey or agave, but yeah, anything works for you.
You in it, you all in. That's just how it goes. With my love, ain't no having and voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no having and voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing I'm running through your mind.
So right now we'll be temping the egg yolk, and what that means is we'll be taking our time, pour the hot milk into the egg yolk and mix it real fast just to get the egg yolk to the perfect temperature. So when we add the egg yolk into the milk on the stove, it doesn't scramble the eggs. So that's what I'm doing right here. If you have a measuring cup with a pitcher, that will work out better than just a cup, because this part was a little messy because the milk got all over the place.
And you can't get enough from me. Take up all your time. Can't ignore my energy. Driving you crazy to look up what's it to be.
Now I'm adding the egg wash to the milk on the stove, and y'all, this is a very fast process because remember, we don't want scrambled eggs. So as you pour it, make sure you're whisking it real fast to get everything to come together. Man, this is a full arm workout, okay?
You know, so as the days roll by and we grow old, more time you wanna spend with my love. Ain't no laughing and voting. Baby, it's all or nothing. No playing with my love. Ain't no laughing and voting.
Right now I'm adding in all the spice, and y'all, this is the biggest mistake. Do not do it. So I realized that it clumped up so much, but good thing I strained it after anyway, and all of that was gone. But don't do it. Wait until it's in the cool down process, then you mix in your spice and everything, and then like a day after you can add the rum. So here's a little clip of my mistakes. So no, it was just a lot of clump. But like I said, when you strain it, you will get rid of it.
I get in the middle, ain't where my penny on my dime on my nickel. So take a seat, I'll make we talk for a little. Maybe we could build on this thing, I'll make it something more. Driving you crazy, to look out, but see, también, but my love.
So this is the final product. Thick, nice, creamy consistency. And I'm just going to let it cool down for a couple hours before I put it in the refrigerator.
Ain't no half and half voting, baby. It's all or nothing, no playing with my love. Ain't no half and half voting, baby. It's all or nothing, no playing. Take it slow. I know you want this. I just hope you